What's going on, everybody? It's your resident tech jockey, TJ Mike. I'm here with another helpful video. This time we're going to be looking at how to move the taskbar in Windows 11 back to the left side, and just a couple of other things in that same menu. Let's dive right in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to right click on an open space on the taskbar, and you're going to get this context menu that says Task Manager and Taskbar Settings. Let's go ahead and click Taskbar Settings. In the window that pops up, you're going to see a few things. The first thing that we're going to focus on is down at the bottom, and it says Taskbar Behaviors. We're going to click to expand that, and we're going to look right here at the taskbar alignment. Yes, they've defaulted it to center, but we like the left, so we're going to leave it there on the left side. That looks a little more normal to us. That's what we've been dealing with for years, so that's really nice. Now, the second thing I want to take a look at are the search bar and these little taskbar icons down here that most of us don't need. At least I know I don't. So we're going to scroll back up to the top. The first thing we're going to look at is the taskbar items. Underneath that, you see the search box. So if you want, you can completely hide it, or you can just do the search icon only, which will still work, but just shows the icon. Or we can do the search icon and label, but smaller, almost like the original, but a little bit smaller. Or we can do the original search box, which is a bit larger and gives you a little flair. I personally like to do the icon only. It just makes it a little smaller, but still works fairly the same. The other thing we're going to look at are the icons. So they add task view widgets in chat to the bottom. I don't use any of these, so I like to turn them off because they just take up space. So if we just tick those off, they are now gone. Two other things that you can do, maybe you need them, maybe you don't. You can add the pen menu. So if you're using a pen, if your laptop maybe came with a pen, you can turn that on and the pen menu will come up when your pen is in use. The touch keyboard, maybe you like having it all the time. You can change that to always and it'll show up down here. Gives you a little pop-up keyboard that you can use if you need it. Or you can say never, so that it never shows up. I keep it on when no keyboard is attached, typically on my laptop or tablet. You can also do a virtual touchpad, which is like a touchpad from a laptop. You can also hide some of the other tray icons that are down here on the bottom right corner. So if you want to hide any of these, like Microsoft OneDrive, you can hide it or unhide it. Microsoft Teams, and the Windows security notification from Defender. I usually keep all of these hidden. The four last options that we're going to look at are the show badges on taskbar apps. Now, I don't have any down here, but if you had something like maybe Microsoft Outlook or another email program, it would show you the badges for new emails that came in, like 1, 2, 3, kind of like your cell phone. The show flash bar on taskbar apps. So if something changes, maybe you got a notification from an app, that app will start flashing down in the taskbar. Share my window from my taskbar. That is, if you're in a Teams meeting, you can right click on the app and it'll have an option to share that window with the Teams call. And then select the far right corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Lets you go all the way to the far right corner down here and click, and it'll just bring you right to your desktop. And that's it. Those are all the options. I hope that I was able to help you today. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. Please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe. It helps. Thanks. See you again soon.